Hello, today we will show you how to use our microneedling RF machine. You can see this is our newest microneedling RF device with one treatment handles for acne scars removal, stretch marks removal, and wrinkles removal. Okay, now I will show you how to installation and how to operate it. Firstly, you will need to connect this handles holder into the machine. We will send you the holder and the screws. Okay, now you can see the treatment handle connect to the machine. There are different pins and holes. Make it the right place and insert it. Okay, then connect the power supply and press the start button here. Okay, this is a start machine, and you can see this is for face, this is for body, and for face you can connect different treatment area on face, also necks, nose, and for body it will show how it's working of the working principle. Let me show you. Start and press this button. You can see the working principle here, how it works under the skin. This is the under skin area. When I start, how the needles works. Okay, let's see from the face area. You can see there are manual mode and auto mode. Manual mode means if you press one time, it will only works one time. You will need to press the button every time. One time, two times, but if for auto mode, you just need to press one time. For auto mode, you will need to press the treatment area on skin, then it will works. You can see when I take off the suction, which means it under treatment on the skin. You can see I just press one time and it's always working. Okay, thank you. Well, let's see what's the parameters here. This times means how many shots you use after you click the start this time. The shots this time you used. We just used for 14 times, 14 shots. Okay, this time means the treatment time for the operation. You can set from 1 minutes to 100 minutes. Usually, one treatment area for face around 15 to 20 minutes. But also depends on the treatment operator's working experience. Okay, this steps means the treatment needles under the skin. You can adjust from 0.2 to 3. The depth for 0.2 to 2 millimeters. For face area, normally we use 1 millimeters, but you will also need to adjust the parameters according to the client's feeling to decrease or increase it. Okay, you can see I'll show you the difference. Use different depths. Now we use 1 millimeter. Okay, you can see the depth here. This is the needles. Okay, if we increase to 2 millimeters, you can see the depth into the skin. The depth is much deeper. Okay, now this is speed. Speed means how long the needles will stay under the skin when you start working. Now it's 0.1 seconds. You can see the speed here. But if we increase to 0.5 seconds, you can see the needles will stay longer time under the skin when you do treatment. Normally we use 0.2 to 0.3 seconds. Depth for face usually use 1 millimeter. Okay, but for some people who is just first time to do the treatment, we may start the testing from 0.5 millimeters. You can start the skin testing from 0.5 millimeters for face, and the range we usually use is from 0.5 millimeters to 1 millimeters. Speed we usually use for 0.2 seconds to 0.3 seconds. Suction level around 1 to 2 level. You can use suction or not, it's okay. Usually use 1 to 2 is okay. RF energy, the range is from 10 to 150 watts. Why we use suction? It's better help the skin to get the radio frequency energy. For RF, we usually use 60 watts to 100 watts. You can start from the 60 watts to the skin testing also. Okay, this is the working parameters on the treatment area for face. For body treatment, the difference is the depth. Yeah, the depth from 0.2 to 3.5 millimeters. For face, it's 0.2 to 2 millimeters. This is the difference for face and body because you know the body skin layer is much thicker than face, so the depth for body treatment is much deeper than face. Okay, for the needles, there are 10 pins, 25 pins, and 64 pins and nano pins. For face, for eyes around, we usually use 10 pins. You can see all the needles are. You can see all the needles are sealed, protected well into one package. And this is the 10 pins for eyes around. This is the 25 pins for face around. This is the 64 pins for body treatment, and this is the nano pins for sensitive skin. These nano tips are non-disposables, but this three is for these three are disposables. You can directly buy the tips from our factory. We will give you factory direct price. Okay, later our doctor will show you how to operate on the skin for the detailed operation manual guide for you.